Hello friends, welcome back to another video. Today we are going to solve a equation. Let's see what we have. X to the power 6 minus x cube equal to 2. In your daily life, in school, you can get this type of problem very easily. But today we are discussing how to solve this equation. So before start the session, please subscribe, like, share and comments. It will help us to grow the channel. So let's see. So first let me write the equation. X to the power 6 minus x cube equal to 2. So our first step is we are choosing x cube equal to a. So now from here we can write x to the power cube 6 equal to a square. We are squaring to the both side of the equation. Squaring. We are doing squaring. So now after substitute this x cube and x to the 6 in this equation, what is our new equation? Let's see what we have. Our new equation is this is a square minus a equal to 2. So now we can write a square minus 2 minus a equal to 0 because here is 2. We are switching the side of 2. Initially it has positive sign. Now it will be negative because after switching the side of any term in the equation, we have to give the reverse operation. So here is addition. So the reverse operation is negative. Okay. So now we can do this way. First, let me rearrange the equation. Sorry, equal to 0. And now we can write a square minus 2a plus a minus 2 equal to 0. Okay, in our childhood, we are doing this type of factor. I think you know this. In that type of factor, what we are doing? We are doing 2 and we are going to break 2 equal to 2 times 1. And then in the middle of this term, we are going to express in terms of 2 and 1. So that's why minus a we can write minus 2a plus a. So that's the thing we are doing. So now we can write, we can take common a minus means we are taking factor a. This will become a minus 2. And from here we are taking factor 1. Then it will become a minus 2 which is equal to 0. So now we are getting a minus 2 times a plus 1. Okay. So what we have? We have either a minus 2 equal to 0 or a plus 1 equals to 0. So let's see case 1. We are identify this as case 1. Case 1, if a minus 2 equal to 0, then what we have? Let's scroll the page. So we know what is a. A is nothing but x cube minus 2 equal to 0. We know that a equal to x cube. In our initial stage, we have replacing a by x cube. So now we can write 2 can be written as 2 to the power 1 by 3 whole to the power cube equal to 0. How can you write this? Okay, let me remind you. We know that from the exponent law, a to the power m whole to the power is 1 by m. It is always equal to a to the power m times 1 by m. This will become, this m cancel out, this will become a to the power 1, which is nothing but a. So here m is 3 and a is 2. Okay. So now we have x cube minus 2 to the power 1 by 3 whole cube. Now we are going to using this formula. I know that all of guys, you know the formula. What is a cube minus b cube in the factor form? In the factor form, it can be written as a minus b times a square plus ab plus b square. Okay. So from here a is x. So we are using this formula, x minus 2 to the power 1 by 3 x square plus 2 times 1 by 3 times x plus what is b square? 2 to the power 1 by 3 whole square, which is equal to 0. Then from here we are getting either means x minus 2 to the power 1 by 3 equal to 0 or x square plus 2 to the power 1 by 3 times x plus 2 to the power 2 by 3 equal to 0. Now you can ask me how can it will become 2 to the power 2 by 3. Okay, let me remind you that we know a to the power m from the exponent law equal to the power 1 by n or is equal to a to the power 1 by m times a whole to the power n. This can be written as a to the power m times 1 by n or is equal to a to the power m by n. We are using this formula. That's why. So now from here we are getting x equal to 2 to the power 1 by 3. This is one of the solution. Now from here, okay. Now let me remind you the quadratic law. What is quadratic law? Quadratic law is that ax square plus bx plus c equal to 0. If x square plus bx equal to 0, then x equal to minus b plus minus square root of b square minus 4ac by 2a. So now we are using this formula. What is b? B is nothing but the coefficient of x, and a is nothing but the coefficient of x square, and c is nothing but the constant term. So now we are using this formula to formulate the equation 2 to the power 1 by 3 times ax plus 2 to the power 2 by 3 equal to 0. Okay. So from here, by using the quadratic law, what we are getting? We are getting x equal to minus 2 to the power 1 by 3 times x, sorry, minus b plus minus square root of b square, means 2 to the power 1 by 3 whole square minus 4. AC, what is our A? Is 1, C is 2 to the power 2 by 3 by 2 times 1. So this can be written as minus 2 to the power 1 by 3 plus minus square root of, from the exponent law we can write this one, and then 4 we can write 4 can be written as 2 square times 2 to the power 2 by 3. Now we are going to use this formula. A to the power m times a to the power n can be written as a to the power m plus n. Okay, we are using this formula to simplify our this expression or this term. So that means we can write minus 2 to the power 1 by 3 plus minus square root of 2 to the power 2 by 3 minus 2 to the power 2 plus 2 by 3 I 2a. Okay, so that means minus 2 to the power 1 by 3 plus minus 2 to the power 2 by 3 or 2 to the power, this can be written as 3 to c 2 to the power 8 by 3 by 2. You know how to add the fraction. Okay, so we can write this is as a 6 by 3 multiplying the denominator and numerator by 3 to get the common denominator, and then we are simply add 6 plus 2 by 3, which is 8 by 3. I hope this will make you understand. Okay, so that means this x equal to, we have two root. One is minus 2 to the power 1 by 3. We consider only the positive sign here first, and then we will consider the negative sign. 3 by 2, and another root is that, means another solution for x, minus square root of 2 to the power 2 by 3 minus 2 or 8 by 3 by 2. So now we are going, so for case 1 there is another, for case 1 we get all the solution. Now we are moving to the case 2. For case 2, what is a equal to minus 1? Okay, for a equal to minus 1, we are doing the simple thing that first we replace a by x square. We know that a equal to x square. So we are putting x square in the place of a. That means this will, sorry, this is x cube. Pardon me, this x cube equal to minus 1. That means we can write x cube plus 1 equal to 0. We are again using the a cube plus b cube formula. We know that what is a cube plus b cube. a cube plus b cube equal to a plus b times a square minus ab plus b square. All of all of you know the formula very well. So let me simplify this one. So we can write x square minus x plus 1 equal to 0. So from here either x plus 1 equal to 0 or x square minus x plus 1 equal to 0. Okay, first let me scroll the page. So for x plus 1 equal to 0, from here we are getting x equal to minus 1. This is one solution. And now we have only x square minus x plus 1 equal to 0. We are again using the quadratic law. This will give x equal to minus b. Here b is minus 1. That means minus b means minus of minus 1. That means plus minus square root of b square means minus 1 whole square. Minus 4a is a coefficient of x square is 1. And c is 1 by 2a. 2a means 2 times 1. This will give us 1. Minus of minus 1 is will be 1 plus 1 plus minus square root of minus 1 square 1 minus 4 by 2. Now we can simplify this one as 1 plus minus square root of minus 3 divided by 2. So let me write this here. 1, we can write square root of, we can write as I root 3 by 2, because why? Iota or I be in the square root of minus 1. So that means we have 1 plus I square root of 3 by 2 and comma 1 minus I square root 3 by 2. So now we are going to summarize. Okay, we are going to summarize our whole solution. Okay, so for case 1, what are the solution we got? This will be x equal to 2 to the power 1 by 3. And another solution is that x equal to minus 2 to the power 1 by 3 plus minus square root of 2 to the power 2 by 3 minus 2 to the power 8 by 3 by 2. So that, oh sorry, we can erase it or we can write another way. 1 by 3 minus sign square root of 2 to the power 2 by 3 2 to the power 8 by 3 by 2. And for case 2 we can write, for case 2 what we are getting? Very easy. Yes, x equal to minus 1. Okay, and then x equal to 1 plus I square root of 3 by 2, or x equal to 1 minus I square 3 by 2. So therefore we have 6 solution for our equation. So thank you. I hope this session will benefit